All right, so I got this sharpener because let's face it, my knives are dull. So I'm going to show you what my knives are essentially right now. So, piece of paper, which is usually the good thing. So, nah, so you can see you can't cut the paper. It just rips it. So we're going to take this. This comes in 15 degrees and 20 degrees. It has great holders. And what you're going to do is you're going to put this on the table and it's going to keep it from there. I'm going to do 15 since most knives do come in 15. You know, put this flat. And then you're going to get your honing blade and your polishing. So what you're going to do is take this and you're just going to roll this across. And it shouldn't take too many times. You're going to flip the blade. Let's go through and polish. And I can tell you, it already feels sharper. This was also a gift to me from the brand, but it's always a master reel. So let's see. Yeah, so you can see it's already cutting the paper. And we can always go back in and hone this. These are pretty dull blades. I'm not the best with trying to sharpen my knives. But I'm hoping that this being so easy and so precise, it's helping me because the main thing that always seemed to help was I never can get it on the right angle. Yeah, it's already cutting so much better. So if you're looking for a knife sharpener and you want a true guide to help, this is definitely the one I recommend.